got a special Roman candle demo for you, but before we tell you what we got, that you can see, say hello to Sergeant Pyro! Whoa! Sergeant Pyro, what do we got tonight?
We got 10 Ball Crackling Candle.
You heard it here, they're from Dominator. There you go. Now again, like the other ones I've done, these come in an assortment pack. But, you know, Sergeant Pyro likes Roman candles. He definitely does. And I'll tell you what, whoa, okay, you got a thumbs up. And not only do we have a 10-ball crackling candle, we're going to do 2 of these at one time. So you can see it, like a little bit of the stars and stripes. There he goes. All right. DominatorFireworks.com. There we go. No effects on it, but you know what these are. Hey, let's check them out. Are you ready to go to the street pad, Sergeant
Yes.
Pyro? Let's go! Light away, Sergeant Pyro! Whoa! Oh! All right, this is Sergeant Pyro vision. Whoa! Holy shit! Holy shit! Whoa!